Okay, Demorowski, since you showed us what the blizzard looks like outside of your house, I'm gonna show you what the blizzard looks like outside of my house. So first, before I go outside, I need to dress appropriately. Extra jacket, extra jacket, a sweater, a hoodie, and just to be safe, a vest. Okay, I'm ready to go. Oh, I hope it's not too cold out. I don't know if I have enough sweaters. Oh, well, I guess it looks like all the snow melted. Actually, according to weather.com, it's 71 degrees out. And it's sunny. Man, this really sucks. I wanted there to be a blizzard outside, but no! All we have is stupid grass and clear weather and warm delightfulness. Ugh, I hate this! It's so stupid! Man! Ugh, gosh! Why can't I live in Montana, or Canada, or Minnesota, or Norway, or someplace where it's cold, and they actually have winter? All we ever have is summer, and then spring, and then we have nothing else. All we have is stupid hot weather that you can't even wear thick coats in. I hate this! Hey. What's that? Jennifer? What is she doing out there? Hold on, we gotta go figure this out. Jennifer, what are you doing?
Making snow angels.
Jennifer, sorry to break it to you, but there's no snow out here.
I'm so angry!
Okay, well it looks like we don't have any snow outside, but we hope that you're enjoying the blizzard. Peace up, A-Town.
Oh yeah.